Too many Z's. Oh my god. This is the best vending machine I've ever seen. Hey guys, this is Mr. Dad with Too Many Z's. Today, Zach and I are at the Pokemon Center to get some packs to open later. Right, Zach?
Yeah.
Which ones are you going to get today? Alright, what else? Okay. Let's get 2 more packs. Your choice. And? Okay, so right now we have 5 packs of cards, so go ahead and click View Cart, and then check out.
What did dung beetles eat?
They dung.
What did dung beetles eat?
They dung.
What did dung beetles eat?
They dung.
They eat dung all day long. Yeah.
Did you just fart it? I did. Back on the Pokemon Center, and we have our 5 packs.
All right, Zachy. Today with us we have Zara, your little sister, right? The other Z. And Zara, did you want to open one of the Pokemon packs today?
Yeah, the cute one.
Okay, why don't you put the packs on the table and let Zara pick which one she's going to open. Okay, Zara, which one do you want to open today? Okay, can you pick it?
Hold it.
All right, Zachy, can you show everybody which one your sister picked? Ooh.
The Silver Tempest.
All right, and who's on the cover? Is that Vulpix?
Yeah, Alolan Vulpix.
All right, okay. Let's get started with pack openings.
First is the Astro Radiance.
All right, let's see what we get today. What card are we trying to get from Astral Radiance?
I think the Misty Trainer Gallery.
Ooh.
Give me that.
Do they have a magic card? But that's all.
No, I mean the Starmie Trainer Gallery. Water. Unidentified fossil.
Dartrix.
Dartrix. Drifblim.
Is that Swinub?
Swinub. Hisuian. Quillfish. Petalil.
Give me that.
Nickit. Hippopotamus. Hisuian Growlithe
Oh,
Hollow.
that's cool.
And a Garchomp V.
All
Give me
right.
that.
Good job. Let's see the next one. That's a good.
Next
that's a good
one
hit.
is Fusion Strike.
Hey, didn't I pull the Mew out of the Fusion Strike before?
Yeah.
That was in our other challenge, right?
Let me try from the bottom. Nope.
Maybe one day, 6 years from now, you'll be good at opening packs. All right.
Yeah, I finally opened it.
I think they put a lot of tape there.
Oh, yeah, they put a lot of tape there.
Yeah.
Now, brother's just a dum-dum head.
Yeah.
All right.
Give me that card.
Hold on, baby. Let brother go through his cards first.
I don't want this cookie.
A Electric Energy.
Yep.
A Sagoo. A Clawncer. Spongy Gloves.
Give me that.
Stifalo.
Sigilift?
Sigilift.
Toxel.
Toxel. Crocodile. Baneri.
Cross switcher. And a Gudra non-hollow. Oh, Gudra, that was in that cartoon we watched, right? Pokemon Journeys?
No.
Or is that XY?
XY.
Oh, yeah. Okay, what's the next pack?
Sword and Shield Lost Origin.
Alright, Sword and Shield Lost Origin.
I think I know why it's named Lost Origin. Because it lost its original origin.
I feel like that's a dad joke.
I think it is. No.
You doing okay, Zara? No, but it's taking forever to open the packs.
No. Yeah. Myself. My God. Let me try from the bottom. Sometimes the bottom's easier. This time it is. Oopsie.
Alright, show us what you got.
Water energy. Lake
Acuity.
Lake Acuity. Porygon 2. Misfortune Sisters. Bronzor. Phalanx. Poliwag. Oddish. Hisuian. Growlithe. Clefairy. And a Spiritomb non-hollow.
Alright. Last pack. What's the last pack?
Okay, the Brilliant Stars.
Hey, don't give up on that technique. There you go. That was a lot easier, wasn't it? Oh, alright. Card trick.
Electric energy.
Luxio.
Hitmontop.
Magma Basin.
Magma Basin. Halucha.
Oh yeah, Hulucha was one of my favorites.
Magmor.
Oh, that's a cool art.
Staryu.
What? That's a Pokemon? Burmy?
That's a dumb Pokemon.
Yeah, Burmy.
Sock.
Sock.
You know what sock means?
What?
It means to like punch. I'm gonna sock you.
Oh.
Was it a Corphish?
Corphish. And a Garchomp Hollow.
Oh, didn't we get, that's the second Garchomp, right?
Yeah, second hit Garchomp.
Alright. Now let's open Zara's pack. We're gonna do the last pack, the Silver Tempest for your sister Zara. Let's see it. Zara, do you think you're gonna get the best cards now? Alright. What is that? Okay, hold on, baby. Okay, what do we have here?
Grass energy.
Put them in my hand.
Wallace?
Wallace.
You like that card?
A Jinx.
Oh, yeah. Brandon?
Brandon.
Ooh, a cutie one.
Growlithe.
Pikachu.
What is-
Pikachu.
That's a Pikachu?
Oh yeah! This adds to our Pikachu count.
Uh-huh, that's our second one, I think.
That's mine.
Petilil.
Petsidley? Or okay, yeah, that's fine. We'll figure out the name later.
Toga Tomorrow.
That's a cool one.
Halucha.
Another Halucha. Ooh!
And a Blissey Trainer Gallery V. But wait! A Regieleki is right behind it.
I want
this.
I think your sister got the bangers.
Zara, which one do you want?
Zara, say all of them. You want the cute one?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Hi guys, I'm going to show you my top 4 cards today. My first one is this Gudra. My second is this Garchomp Hollow.
Ooh, that's a nice one.
And my third is the Regieleki V.
That was pretty cool.
And last but not least, the Garchomp V.
All right, that's pretty awesome. Okay, and then I think we found another Pikachu today, right? Can you show the people at home? All right, and then what count is that for us?
2.
Okay, so that's second Pikachu we've opened since we started, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys, we're ready to show Zara's cutest card of the day, right, Zara? Okay, brother, why don't you help her? Show the card and tell us what it is.
It's a Blissey V Trainer Gallery.
Ooh, that is the cutest card of the day. Okay, that's it, guys. We'll see you later.
Bye! Hey guys, if you like this video, go like and subscribe so we can make more videos.
Man, these kids are really, really bad at golf. Why am I spending my money on this? Concentrate. Concentrate. Good swing.